Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Chainlink tokens from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Chainlink from Binance to Bitrue. This process is super simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Bitrue, and that you have some Chainlink in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. It's usually at the top of the page or in the sidebar. Next, select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, depending on where your link is stored. Now, find Chainlink in your asset list and click on it. You'll see an option for Withdraw. Go ahead and click that. This will open a form where you need to enter the withdrawal details. Before you proceed, hop over to your Bitrue account. Log in there and go to the Deposit section. Select Chainlink from the list, and Bitrue will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that address carefully. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any mix-ups. Back on Binance, paste the Bitrue wallet address into the Address field. Double-check that it's correct, and make sure to select the right network, like ERC20 for Chainlink, to ensure compatibility. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any withdrawal fees. Review the details one last time, then hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication. Once you've submitted the transaction, you'll get a confirmation message. Now, it's just a waiting game. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Bitrue and check your wallet to see when the funds arrive. And there you have it. Transferring Chainlink from Binance to Bitrue in 2025 is quick and easy with these steps. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts, and keep an eye on gas fees. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.